It's amazing. I like Godzilla, you know, Japanese
Japanese
nuclear bomb, then after the bomb, Godzilla. That's the owner of the shop. How you doing? All right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Pretty good. Hey,
What do you think our t-shirt?
excellent, man. Yeah.
Nice, 100% cotton.
Yeah, I like cotton. From Thailand, yeah.
Yeah, Taiwan, yeah.
I saw them on Google. They're getting popular. You know.
Yes.
Yeah. Some sell for 800, some sell 500, some sell 300. Depends, you know.
In the other store, there's a price, high price, 600, more like that.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For me, the
Small
cheaper price.
Yeah.
Price.
Yeah, cheaper price. Yeah, sure. I don't have a lot of money right now, but I will.
I give it for you.
Yeah.
You make sure I give it for you. That shirt.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Well, I'll give you 100 now, and you can keep it for me.
Yeah.
And then when I get more money, I'll
All right.
pay it off. You know.
Okay.
Cool.
This is a deal.
Yeah, man, it's a deal. Plus, he's got this Nirvana. Kurt Cobain looks like a pretty scruffy angel, an erratic angel, and probably was too. That's kind of the average width of the road. Not so big, is it? And how you doing? Shit in for you, tube. You okay? Boo. And then you have the entry into the, I think they call this barangay. So you could call it an alley. You could call that a lane that we just came off. Anyway, it kind of looks like all this, I guess. Basically. Yeah, it's midday, so I like it. It's sunny for me to walk around, and there's a cool breeze blowing too. You expect there'd be a lot of rain here because there's a lot of plants and vegetation, but I haven't seen much rain. I think it's only rained a few times I've been here. Frangipani. There you go. And that's what the lanes look like. I'm still navigating my way around here. Then you come out to, what's this, street, I guess? Bananas, eggs, umbrella vehicle. Hi, how you doing? So many kiosk shops. Yeah. Coconut. Just walk through here again. Walk back through the came. Yeah. Oh, fish. Oh. Scanning right out there. Yeah, hello, how are you? Yeah. And yeah, local neighborhood. It's not an island, and it's not Manila. It's something in between. It's not inner city suburbia. It kind of looks like it. It's subdivision. Yeah, it's kind of unique. Even some of the vehicles are unique in the Philippines. Yeah. I'm over here. Hello, how are you? Yeah. But this type of vehicle, they tell me is unique to the Philippines. Yeah? Yeah. And that type of vehicle there. Yeah, barking dogs everywhere. Love their dogs, aren't they? That's pretty cool. And this one too, see? Got the bike. And then the passengers sit in this space, which comes up to here on me. And that's what I had to travel in anyway, yeah, really. Now I look good in my Kiss t-shirt, don't I? Yeah, super. Birds of Paradise, 102, 103. Yeah. Someone's playing pool up here. Up there. That's why I was curious about this place. I got no idea how to access it. Play pool? Huh? Yeah?
USA or Australia?
Australia. Yeah, I found a place to shit pool.
You're Australian?
Yeah, mate. How you going, mate? You okay, mate? Yeah. It's just rotation pool. Yeah, but I found a place to shoot pool. So it's okay, mate. Yeah, mate. No worries, mate. Oh, nice break there.
Where do you stay in Mary Cris?
I stay with the family.
I'm in the Philippines. I'm a Filipino.
You're in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we are in general trials.
LGBTQ
What's
plus here to Philippines to join people. Join.
Yeah. There's a chair in the river.
Yeah. Kaya ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mano kay tatay. Father. Kami to uncle. Mano kay lolo. Mano kay lolo. Mano kay lolo.
Everybody's saying it's hot today. Hot. I like it. It's like Australian weather. It's not hot for me. And break down my budget. How to spend the money so far? Well, I think I decided to go out without cigarettes. So the first thing I bought was 5 cigarettes for 30. I heard the sound of the click clack of pool balls, and they were playing pool upstairs. And I was near the birds of paradise, Baranga. The birds of paradise, Baranga. So they let me in. I played pool. 10 peso a game. But if you win, you don't pay anything. I played 14 games and I lost 10 and won 4. Paid 100. That's alright. I hadn't played pool for a while. Didn't know the table. Played a lot of damn good shots though. I'll be back tomorrow. Made friends there. And go back to the budget. And then the next thing I spent money on, oh yeah. Well, I'm at the grocery store. It's Dali, everyday grocery. Remember your white bread and your strawberry jam. The white bread and strawberry jam, you can get it here. Which I did yesterday. So then I bought a packet of Mighty Red cigarettes. They were 150, so on the island they're 110. The guy had to check the price with his friend who was sleeping. So Marlboro's 180, Mighty's 150, but if you go to Alphamart you can get Chesterfield for 120. You can. So I just checked it. Now I bought a Pepsi 38, 40, just say 40. That makes it 100 and 180, 220. Oh yeah, and a t-shirt, not this t-shirt. I bought this t-shirt. I paid for this like $4.50. But I put 100 down on the Godzilla t-shirt. So I think, what are we talking now? Probably talking 340 now. It gives me 200 to spend. I think. Don't think I bought anything else, but I could have forgot. Even forgot to go to Vietnam. Supposed to be flying out on Saturday, but I forgot about it. They got my flight to Singapore and hanging out in the Singapore airport overnight, which I did before. Too bad about that. So I just drop in here and check out the price of the soju, because at the Alpha Mart it was 115. I was really surprised because I thought the price here was 58, but sometimes the price tag they put up for where the product is for a different product. You don't know the real price, do you? You think it's 58, but it could be more. It could be 85. You don't know, do you? So I think I did my budget. I'd better check it again. 5 cigarettes were 30. Oh, I forget. Then I got 4 more. Oh, that's a coin. It didn't come into the budget. It's coins. You got coins here. You got 20 coin. You got 10 coin. You got 2 different types of 5 coins. One's an old coin, and one's got kind of bronze, and then you got the 1 coin, which is smaller than the 5s, but the 5's the same size as the 10. So how the hell would you know? You got to look at it really closely to see, oh, is it a 5 or a 10? Pretty sure I got 200 left to spend today. It keeps you a budget. Don't have to buy food because I bought a kilo of pork yesterday and 300 pesos worth of veggies, not including the corn cob, 25 peso, 50 peso a head, you know. Yeah. So I'll go and check out the soju, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I did go shopping at the grocery store with my last 200 in my budget today. Don't worry, I got more. I got another 500 to spend tomorrow. I told the pool players I'll come tomorrow and drop. Oh yeah, I dropped 100 shooting pool there. That's what I forgot. I'm over my budget by 100 now. But anyway, that's what you get. It's from Germany. It's red vodka liqueur, 99. Shouldn't have bought it, but I got a bad memory. Now here's the soju. It's from Korea. It's great flavour. I love soju. It's probably the best tasting, best type of alcohol you can drink, really, or healthiest, I think, you know. It's 54, but if you go to Alpha Mart, it's over 100. 118, I think, Alpha Mart. 54 here. I don't know, double the price, Alpha Mart. What's up with Alpha Mart? But you can't get brandy here the same price as this, but the brandy's going to kill you. And I already got a bottle of brandy. I got 2 bottles of soju. One for Lisa. I'm at Auntie Lisa's homestay. Yeah, so that's it. No, there's one more thing I forgot. I bought a bag for 15. See, you got to carry it in. I'm not gay, but that guy I met before, he was definitely gay. LGBT, they call them. They're not gays anymore. They're LGBT, by the way. So many LGBTs in the Philippines. It's like, you better get used to it. They're everywhere. They even ask you if you have a husband. And that's and you know this bag? Well, you know when you catch a plane and you got your cabin suitcase, because that's all you got, because you don't want to pay for luggage, do you? You just want a cabin suitcase. But this type of bag, you can fill it up, put it under your seat, carry it on the plane. And you know what, if you want to be extra sneaky, you can get one of those pouches they put around the waist and put stuff in that too. And what some people do too is the neck cushion, put around your neck, you know. They put all that shit in there. They do. And if you got extra weight, you just put on layers of clothes, don't you? I don't, but some people do. They're fucking crazy fuckers, aren't they? Yeah, they are. This is my room. Oh, here's the view. That's the view from my room. I stayed in Lisa's room, and now I got my own room on the 3rd floor. That's all I had so far. Just a bench. That's how I get up here. It's amazing.